So the issue is that I know you put this article in the instructions because you're trying to figure out what's going on with the stimulus. But basically what happened is I can see this attach question button, and you actually built the questions outside of the stimulus. So what we need to do is actually attach these questions to the stimulus. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead, and I'm in an example. This is in my course. I made a copy of this in my course. So I'm not doing this in your English class. I'm doing this on a copy of the test that I put into my course. So I'm just going to demo this for you on my copy of the test. So I'm going to remove all that from the directions so that we just have the stimulus now. And then, so normally when you're editing a stimulus question, and I'm going to switch it really quick. You can leave it to questions below. I'm going to switch it really quick to questions to the right. And I'm going to hit save stimulus because I just want to show you. Normally, you see this attach question button, and it's a little more obvious when it's on the right side of the screen than when you do the below. And so what you have done is just quickly inserted the questions after the test, and it's not a big deal. We don't have to retype them. All I'm going to do is use the dots here, and I'm going to drag the handle, and I'm just going to pop that question up. So now it's actually attached to the stimulus. And I'm going to take this question and drag it up and attach it to the stimulus. And I need to refresh my page now. So we'll drag each of these up. I'm actually going to switch this back to the top and bottom view that you had. I think it'll be easier to drag. So like I said, I'm just going to drag these up, and you can see now how it has this little drop down because it's attached to the stimulus, whereas this one isn't. So I'm just going to keep moving those up so that they're attached to the stimulus. And then once I have them all, sorry, I just want to show you what this will look like, and you'll see the preview. So if you're listening to this, you can probably fast forward a little bit. And the last one. So now those are all attached to the stimulus. So when I go to the top now and I preview it, it is going to show the stimulus question with the questions attached. And so if you do one question at a time, it will have the stimulus attached to each question now. So again, I did this in an example test in my course. You'll still have to go in and do this in your course.